How to add keywords and tags to Fiverr gigs. First of all, open your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Then click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Become a Seller from the drop-down menu if you haven't already set up your seller profile. Once your seller profile is ready, go to the seller dashboard, click on Create a new gig or edit an existing gig. After entering your gig title and description, it's time to add keywords and tags. Keywords are the words or phrases buyers are likely to type when searching for services like yours. Fiverr uses these keywords to match your gig with buyer sources. To add tags, scroll to the tags section below your gig description. Enter 3 to 5 relevant keywords that describe your service separated by commas. For example, if your gig is logo design, you could use tag like logo design, business logo, brand identity, graphic design, custom logo. Make sure the keywords are specific and highly relevant to your gig to attract the right buyers. Using the right keywords and tags improves your gig's visibility, helps it appear in search results and increase your chances of getting orders. After adding them, click Save or Publish to update your gig. Now you know how to add keywords and tags to Fiverr gigs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.